The Panasonic PT-CMZ50 WUXGA 3LCD ultra-short throw wireless laser projector is designed for anyone who wants a high-quality projection experience without the typical setup headaches. It's engineered for classrooms, office environments, and modern home theaters where space and convenience are crucial. Starting with resolution, the PT-CMZ50 delivers WUXGA, which is 1920 by 1200 pixels, giving incredibly sharp images. Paired with 3LCD technology, it produces balanced brightness and vibrant colors across the screen. Unlike single-chip projectors, it avoids color washout, making presentations, movies, and graphics look detailed and natural. The laser light source is a significant upgrade over conventional lamps. It offers a high brightness output, a longer lifespan, and minimal maintenance. You get thousands of hours of reliable performance without worrying about bulb replacements, which is perfect for busy offices or long-term home setups. Ultra-short throw capability is another standout feature. This projector can be placed very close to the wall or screen while producing a large image. It eliminates the need for ceiling mounts or long cables across the room, making it ideal for tight spaces and clean, organized setups. You can enjoy a cinematic experience or professional presentations without disrupting the room layout. Wireless connectivity adds another layer of convenience. Laptops, tablets, and smartphones can connect easily, allowing instant content sharing without complicated cabling. Multiple devices can stream simultaneously, making it highly practical for meetings, classrooms, or group viewing sessions. Setup is straightforward, and switching between devices is seamless. Design-wise, the PT-CMZ50 is minimalist and modern. Its white exterior blends into any interior, and the compact size doesn't compromise performance. The projector operates quietly, so the fan won't interfere with presentations or movie sessions. Every detail reflects premium craftsmanship, from the build quality to the smooth edges. Performance under different lighting conditions is impressive. Bright environments don't wash out the image, and dark scenes retain depth and detail. Contrast ratios ensure black levels are rich and shadows are defined, making both movies and slides look professional and immersive. This projector is versatile enough to meet various needs. From streaming 4K content scale to WUXGA, displaying presentations, or hosting interactive classroom sessions, it maintains excellent image quality and reliability. Its combination of brightness, color accuracy, and ease of use makes it suitable for nearly any scenario. For anyone looking to enhance a space with high-quality visuals, long-lasting performance, and flexible placement, the Panasonic PT-CMZ50 WUXGA 3LCD ultra-short throw wireless laser projector is a strong contender. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it an investment that pays off in convenience and performance. If you want to purchase this Panasonic PT-CMZ50 WUXGA 3LCD ultra-short throw wireless laser projector, the link is provided in the description for easy access.